Unlocking your potential. Offer your expertise. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you learn and grow. Today, we're exploring a very important phrase that can open many doors for you, both personally and professionally. Offer your expertise. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can significantly impact how you communicate your skills and knowledge to others. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of this powerful expression. Offer your expertise is a phrase that combines two key concepts, offering and expertise. To offer means to present or provide something voluntarily to someone. Expertise, on the other hand, refers to specialized knowledge or skills in a particular field or area. When put together, to offer your expertise means to voluntarily present your specialized knowledge or skills to help or benefit someone else. This phrase can be used in various contexts, both formal and informal. Here are some scenarios where offer your expertise is perfectly suited. 1. In the workplace, offering your expertise can mean volunteering for a project where your specific skills can contribute to its success. 2. In social situations, if a friend or acquaintance is facing a problem you know a lot about, you might offer your expertise to help them solve it. 3. In academic settings, professors or students might offer their expertise during discussions or collaborative research projects. 4. Online communities, participating in forums or social media groups related to your field of expertise by offering advice or solutions. Offering your expertise isn't just about saying you can do something. It's about doing so thoughtfully and effectively. Here's how you can do it. 1. Identify the need. Look for opportunities where your expertise is needed and can make a difference. 2. Communicate clearly. When offering your expertise, be clear about what you can do and how it can help the person or project. 3. Be humble. It's important to offer your expertise without coming across as arrogant. Approach the situation with humility and a genuine desire to help. 4. Follow through. If your offer is accepted, make sure to follow through with your commitment and deliver on your promise. Offer your expertise is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages sharing knowledge and skills to make a positive impact. Whether you're in a professional setting, among friends, or part of a community, offering your expertise can lead to growth, learning, and meaningful connections. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression effectively. Thank you for watching, and remember, your expertise is valuable. Don't hesitate to share it.